Assalamu alaikum, 3 class. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Stay blessed and that hope so you are learning your lesson timely. It will really help you to solve your paper and you have to try to get 100% marks. Okay. Now let's get started our revision first 6 week for the paper. So we are going to the revision of week number 2. Okay. Look at the planner number 8 and 9. It is about reading, so you have to read it by yourself, and the eggs, and after that you have to learn spelling, learn pronunciation from book page number 17 and 13 by yourself. Learn to speak on page number 19. It is also the work that you have to do by yourself. Learn oral worksheet number 1, workbook page number 23. It is the practice of your oral work, so you have to learn these things by yourself. Okay, and if you have any kind of problem, you may ask me from 8 to 2. Okay, now come to the page number 2, 3 and 4 to revise the exercises of the unit amine and the eggs. Okay, so as you know, Amin was a farmer and he was facing a shortage of crops, so he went some other way to earn things. On the way he got some eggs and also he borrowed the money to buy the eggs. What happened after that? Let's see. Okay, fill the blanks in the correct circle. Fill the circle in next to the correct definition of each word. Definition and meaning are the same. Okay. Draft, to rain in small drops, a long period of weather without rain. So this is the right. Merchant, someone who buys and sells goods. ठीक है. Debit, anything that one person owes to another. Okay, circle it beta. Complain, to talk about things that are worrying. Flock, a group of birds, sheep, goats that live, travel and feed together. Okay, you have to choose any word from these 5 words and you have to make the sentences. I have chosen merchant and flock. The merchant was a greedy person. I saw a flock of birds. Now come to the page number 3. This is all about the words, puzzle words. You have to write these words in alphabetically order, like A, B and C. So look at this. Appeared is number 1, complaint. 2, complaint and complaint are the same, only the meaning of the complaint and complaint are same, so just the difference in spellings. Okay, number 3, crops. Number 4, draft. 5, hashed. 6, judge. 7, knocked. 8, merchant. Spread. 9 and village. 10. Okay, now click the right answer. Amin lost his crops because there was too little rain. Amin left the village because he wanted to look for a job as he lost his crops. Okay, come to the page number 4. Okay, this is the book that is not here, and this is all about the answers of the questions. Okay, this is the page number 4. Question number 1, why do you think Amin bought hard boiled eggs? वो पूछ रहे हैं कि आप बताएं कि आप क्या सोचते हैं, क्या समझते हैं कि उसने हार्ड बॉइल्ड एग्स क्यों लिए. ही वॉन्टेड टू ईट देम ऑन हिज वे टू अनदर विलेज. ज़ाहिर है जब हम रास्ते में जाते हैं तो भूख लगे तो कुछ खाते पीते हैं, सो वो रास्ते में खाने के लिए उसने परचेज़ किए. 500 silver coins for 12 eggs is a lot of money. Definitely it is a lot of money. Why did the merchant ask for so much money? He asked for so much money. He was a greedy person and he came to know about Amin's wealth. Compare Amin's feeling at the beginning of the story with his feeling at the end of the story. He was worried about his earning, but at the end he was relaxed. Okay? पहले वो शुरू में परेशान था, लेकिन आखिर में वो जो था वो रिलैक्स था. अच्छा, कैन यू सर्कल द करेक्टर ट्रेट्स ऑफ अमीन. यानी अमीन कैसा था? क्रूल था, बोल्ड था, हार्ड वर्किंग था. Definitely he was bold, hardworking, kind, brave and intelligent, as he solved his problem wisely. Okay, so you have to learn these pages very well and hope so that you will do it at time. Stay blessed. ओके सॉरी बेटा, आपने पेज नंबर 5 भी करना है. Recall the story. What was the story about? It was about Amin and the eggs. When did the story happen? ये कब happen हुई? It happened in the past. Where did the story happen? In our village. Who was in the story? A merchant, Amin and judge. A merchant Amin इसका नेम था, ठीक है. And Amin was facing the greediness and dishonesty of the merchant. ये इनकी प्रॉब्लम थी. Okay, stay blessed, learn it timely.